5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Let me go right to right. Do a circle prep. 5, 6, 7. We're going to give her a double turn. 1, 2, 3. Back charge. Left hand on top. 5, 6, 7. We're going to go both hands over the head. Switch sides. 1. I'm going to step to the side and drape myself with the right. 2. Now on 3, I'm going to be with my right hand flicking her right hand behind the back as I do a pike to the left. 3. Catch and do a salsa step. 5, 6, 7. So we should be left to left. So now I'm going to give her a basic. So I'm going to open up 1. I'm going to bring the hand down as I step to the side. 2. I'm going to step in place. 3. Right hand over the head. Now I'm going to do a right turn. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to get in the slot, make her turn to the right on 1 with the left hand. 1. And on 2, I'm going to make her step forward as I step back. 2. So I'm locking her in. Now on 3, I step in place. 3. I'm going to turn to the left, switch the hand to the left hand, back charge. 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to be doing a salsa step. Grabbing the back. 1, 2, 3. Step to the other side. I'm going to do a side basic 5 as I bring this hand all the way around and switch behind the back. 6, 7. So now on 1, I'm going to turn to face her and turn her with both hands. 1. Step to the side on 2. Right hand stays to my rib cage. Side pike left. 3. Follow her. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna prep on 5, 6, 7. Double turn to the right. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Switch side on 1. Step side 2. Step in place on 3, basic 5, 6, 7, basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and spin to the right, 1, step forward 2, 3, basic 5, 6, 7, salsa step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, quick turn to the right, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross the knee, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!